Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Windows Media Player onto your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows icon that says Start, and then you want to select the Settings option. You're going to go ahead and select Apps on the left side. And now on the right side, select Optional Features. Versus Add an Optional Feature, select View Features. And then you want to go search for Media Player. Best result should come back a Windows Media Player. Go ahead and check mark inside of there and select Next. And then select Install. Okay, so it says installed and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.